This is Harry Vocal, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Australian media saturation once again of international events. This time, the death of a poor black man in the USA by 4 thugs dressed in police uniforms. Disgraceful. But why are we getting it live? These free-to-air networks, what are they trying to do? Make us all live in fear. And all they're doing is creating reverse racism and stirring the pot here. And now we've got people chirping about black deaths in custody in Australia. They're two completely different things. And now we've got all these people out stirring it up, marching, and we got thousands, according to Channel 9 and 7 and 10, thousands of people in the street, and yet there's millions of us living in this country. So that shows you all the relevance of it all. And if you want to get educated, start listening to smart women like Jacinta Price, the Aboriginal leader from the Northern Territory, and she'll tell you to pull your stupid, divisive city heads in and get your facts right, and let's get the problem sorted out at the base. The problem, the reason these people are being incarcerated in the first place. Get yourselves together and stop turning something that's got nothing to do with us into divisive shit for a whole lot of us in this country. Seriously, media saturation, you people are a disgrace. This is Harry Barkley.